Building credit from scratch can feel daunting, but picking the right first credit card can help jumpstart the journey. There are three types of starter cards to choose from: student cards, secured cards, and no deposit cards, or unsecured cards. Here's a breakdown of the best starter credit cards in each category, plus advice on how to decide which type of card is the right choice for you. Here's an excellent way for students with average or limited credit scores to gain experience managing credit. No annual fee, no penalty APR, plus up to 5% cashback rewards in rotating categories up to a quarterly cap with enrollment. 1% back on other purchases. Earn this card an A in our book. Unlimited cashback match for all new card members only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no minimum spending or maximum rewards, so you could turn $50 cash back into $100, or turn $100 cash back into $200. Earn 5% cashback bonus at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, April 1st through June 30th, 2025, on up to $1,500 in purchases when you activate. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Redeem your rewards for cash at any time. No credit score required to apply. Discover could help you reduce exposure of your personal information online by helping you remove it from select people search sites that could sell your data. Activate by mobile app for free. No annual fee, and build your credit with responsible use. 0% intro APR on purchases for 6 months. Then the standard variable purchase APR of 17.24% to 26.24% applies. Number 1. Discover it. Student Cashback. The Discover. Its Student Cashback is a credit card designed specifically for students with little or no credit history. It offers 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories such as gas stations, restaurants, grocery stores, and Amazon.com, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. All other purchases earn 1% cashback with no limit. There's no annual fee, making it a great starter card for students. One of the most appealing features is the Cashback Match (TEM), where Discover will match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year, automatically. For example, if you earn $100 in your first year, Discover will give you another $100, making it $200. Total, it helps students build credit responsibly while being rewarded for their everyday spending. You also get free FICO credit score, access on your statements to track your credit growth. The card includes zero fraud liability, so you're never held responsible for unauthorized purchases. US-based customer service is available 24/7 for any help or support. The card also offers Freeze It option, allowing you to instantly freeze your account via app or website if your card is lost or stolen. There's no late fee on your first late payment, which is helpful for new users trying to build credit responsibly. Discover reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which helps in building a strong credit profile. Over time, you'll also have access to contactless payments for added convenience and security. Students can use the card anywhere. Discover is accepted, which includes millions of merchants across the US, with smart use. This card can be a powerful tool to build credit and earn cash back rewards at the same time. Card number 2. City Double Cash Card. The City Double Cash Card is open to fair credit applicants, a FICO score starting at 580, which makes it a fantastic starter card option for those who want to avoid a security deposit. Earn up to 2% cash back everywhere. The City Double Cash Card earns 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when purchases are made, and another 1% when they're paid off, and earn 5% total cash back on hotel, car rentals, and attractions booked with City Travel. The catch? You earn 1% when you spend, but you have to pay off purchases before you can earn the next 1%. Since this discourages carrying debt and rewards responsible card use, we'd consider this more of an incentive than a catch. Behind the scenes, the card's cashback is earned in the form of highly flexible City Thank You points. Should you choose to apply for more Thank You points earning cards down the road, you can combine the points from each card into one account. There's an intro APR for balance transfers. The Double Cash offers a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months. After that, the standard variable APR will be 18.24% to 28.24% based on creditworthiness. An intro balance transfer fee of either $5 or 3%, whichever is greater, applies to transfers completed within the first 4 months of account opening. After that, the fee will be 5% of each transfer, minimum $5. Purchases aren't included in the intro APR offer, which is a big downside if this will be your first credit card. Those who have used the Citi Double Cash card often commend its hassle-free cashback program. However, some were dissatisfied with the customer service, citing issues such as poor community cash rewards. Credit card. The Capital One. Quicksilver One Cash Rewards. Credit card, rates and fees, is available to those with fair credit, a FICO score, starting at 580, which means you can qualify with a limited credit history, even if that credit was built as an authorized user on someone else's card. Upgrade opportunities. Capital One will automatically review your account for a credit limit increase in as little as 6 months. Take it around the world with you. The Capital One. Quicksilver One Cash Rewards. Credit card makes a great international travel companion since it doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. You'll earn 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, and 1.5% cash back on everything else. That's lower than the total 2% you can earn with the Citi Double Cash card after purchases are paid off, but higher than the typical 1% base rate offered by many other cards. What users think. Positive reviews of the Capital One. Quicksilver One Cash Rewards credit card often point to its straightforward rewards program, loose credit score requirements, and lack of foreign transaction fees, rates, and fees. Users with negative feedback sometimes felt that the card's cashback rates were less competitive than those of other cards on the market, and several encountered challenges with low initial credit limits and unhelpful customer service. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, every day. No rotating categories or limits to how much you can earn, and cashback doesn't expire for the life of the account. It's that simple. Be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. Enjoy peace of mind with $0 fraud liability so that you won't be responsible for unauthorized charges. Help strengthen your credit for the future with responsible card use. Earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, where you'll get Capital One's best prices on thousands of trip options. Terms apply. Monitor your credit score with CreditWise from Capital One. It's free for everyone. Check out quickly and securely with a contactless card, without touching a terminal or handing your card to a cashier. Just hover your card over a contactless reader, wait for the confirmation, and you're all set. The Capital One. Quicksilver One. Cash Rewards credit card offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no rotating categories or activation needed. It's designed for people with fair or average credit who are looking to build credit while earning rewards. The card has a $39 annual fee, but offers access to a higher credit line after making your first 6 monthly payments on time. It includes benefits like zero fraud liability, travel accident insurance, and access to CreditWise for credit monitoring. It's a simple, flat-rate rewards card that helps you grow your credit while earning consistent cash back on everything you buy. Card number 4, Bank of America. Customized Cash Rewards. Secured Credit Card. The Bank of America. Customized Cash Rewards. Secured Credit Card has a minimum deposit of $200 and a maximum deposit of $5,000. How to get it back. Bank of America says it will periodically review your overall credit history to see if you qualify for a deposit refund and an upgrade to the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards credit card. It doesn't provide any clear timelines, though, and not all cardholders will qualify. Choose your own rewards adventure. You can select a different eligible 3% bonus cashback category every calendar month, giving you more control over where you earn the card's highest cashback rate. The fine print. The 3% and 2% cashback is limited to the first $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter in the eligible categories. After that, those categories earn an unlimited 1% like all other purchases. Foreign travelers beware. This card charges a foreign transaction fee of 3% of the US dollar amount of each transaction. So choose a different starter card if you plan to travel outside the US. Earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice: gas and EV charging, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement and furnishings. Earn 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. Earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. You'll earn 3% and 2% cash back on the first $2,500 in combined choice category. Grocery store. Wholesale club, purchases each quarter then earn 1%. A minimum refundable security deposit of $200. Maximum of $5,000 is required to open this account. Now, you can access your FICO score updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app or in online banking, the Bank of America, customized cash rewards. Secured credit card is a secured card designed to help build or rebuild credit while earning rewards. It requires a refundable security deposit, which becomes your credit limit, typically starting at $200. You earn 3% cash back in a category of your choice like